In this video, I will show you how to fix the group is suspended error on Facebook. You will learn how to restore your Facebook group so that it becomes active again. I have a fairly large group on Facebook, but recently I saw a message from Facebook, "We removed your group." I managed to fix this problem, and now I will show you what needs to be done for Facebook to restore your group. I'll say it right away, you don't need to download or install any programs. The solution to the problem is very simple. I am recording this video 3 months after the group is suspended error because all this time I was looking for a solution, and finally I was able to restore my Facebook group, which is now back up and running and people can see it again. Let's start from the very beginning. You need to log into the group administrator account. It doesn't matter which administrator it is, even if they're not the group creator. You can log into a group administrator account that didn't create the group, because only group administrators can see a group that Facebook has deleted or suspended. Next, you need to delete the posts made by the group administrator that caused Facebook to suspend your group. If you are unsure about any posts, then delete them, because if the administrator's posts violated community standards, it could have a significant impact on your group. In the future, I recommend making posts in the group from the group moderator's account and familiarizing yourself with the community standards for posts that could lead to your group being suspended or deleted on Facebook. If the administrator account of your group has violated Facebook's community standards, then the group managed by this administrator will be temporarily suspended. To view account restrictions, you need to open Profile Status on your account's main page. There you can see the restrictions for the account that was an administrator in the group. Here we see that this account has restrictions until a certain time. Below, we see the groups that it manages. Not all groups will be suspended, only the group in which the administrator violated Facebook's community standards. In the description, we can read that the restrictions may affect your groups, so I recommend not posting questionable content from an account that is an administrator of a group. But now I will show you how you can fix this and restore your group. If an admin's post violated Facebook rules, then you need to wait until the specified time, until the restriction on the admin's account is lifted. It's possible that after this your group, as well as all other pages managed from that account, will be restored. But if after this time your group is still in the status group is suspended or we removed your group, then you need to take the following actions within your group. My group was not restored after the admin account violations expired. Only after the following steps, which I will show you now, was I able to restore my group on Facebook. First, you need to wait until the restriction period on the administrator account expires. The specific date will be indicated there. After that, open your group and select Group Status. At the top, we see the notification group is suspended. Then go to the Group Restrictions section, click the button Your group has been suspended. Click See Options and select Disagree with Decision. After that, click the Continue button several times and finally close the notification. The same actions need to be done with the second button if you have two. Sometimes certain features may not work on the Facebook desktop version, so we need to repeat this action in the mobile version. In the Chrome browser, on the Facebook group page, right-click and select Inspect. After that, on the right-hand side, choose the mobile version of the page. Refresh the Facebook page for the mobile version to work correctly. Enter your group and click on the name of your group. Then select Group Status. In the Group Restrictions section, click on the text Your group has been suspended. Click See Options and choose Disagree with Decision. After that, click the Continue button several times. At the end, you will see that we have successfully submitted a request for the group to be reviewed again. I also recommend repeating this action on your phone if you have previously used your phone to manage the group. Just like last time, you need to submit the group for review and choose Disagree with Decision. The last action I recommend taking is to send an error message to Facebook technical support. You can do this even in the desktop version. After logging into the group admin account, click on the account picture and select Help and Support. Next, you need to choose Report a Problem. Select Something Went Wrong and click Don't Include in Report. Click Cancel and choose the type of problem. In our case, you need to select Groups. Describe your issue. Write a message stating that your group did not violate community rules and was blocked due to an error. Also, include a link to your Facebook group and take a screenshot of the group showing the status group is suspended. Send this report to Facebook technical support and wait for a response. You can check your message and its delivery status with Facebook technical support. To do this, you need to open Help and Support in the Account section, then select Support Inbox. There you will be able to see your recent messages to technical support. I recommend repeating these actions once a week so that messages don't get lost among general messages from other users in Facebook support. But if your administrator account has restrictions, then wait until the restrictions are lifted before performing these actions. If your group had several administrators, I recommend sending the verification request from a clean administrator account that has not violated Facebook rules. But don't forget to delete any posts in the group that may violate Facebook rules, because after submitting the verification request, your group will be reviewed again. And if posts that violate Facebook rules are found in the group, your group will not be restored. The group review will take approximately 3 months. In my case, I waited 3 months, and after the second review, my group was unlocked. If your group has fewer posts, it might be unlocked sooner. But my group was public, and more than 1,000 posts appeared there every day, so I had to wait 3 months after submitting the request for a group review. After 3 months, my group was unlocked and became accessible to other Facebook users again. I recommend carefully managing posts from the group administrator, as this greatly affects the group's quality. But if you have a public group, then change the account criteria. Set restrictions on posts so that new accounts cannot post in your group. Also, add other filters for posts in the group that will help you avoid violating Facebook's community rules. This way you can restore your group and protect it from posts that violate the rules. That's all. If this video helped you, then give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching.